Hello viewers, this is Junjun. Welcome back to my channel and you are watching Junjun's Easy Kitchen. With the ongoing situation, we must try to keep ourselves cheerful, and to be cheerful, many of us have looked back on our hobbies and started practicing it again. Today, I'm going to show you two different ways to decorate a console or any decorative table of your choice at your home. I have a black console table with mirror. The width is narrow and it is ideal for entrance or a corridor space. Now I'm going to decorate it. So it is about how to decorate your console or any table of your choice. Firstly, I will decorate this console table in Mediterranean or European style. तो इस वीडियो में फ्रेंड्स आप लोग के साथ मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ how to decorate a console table with mirror or any decorative table of your choice at your home. Now I am putting a runner on top of it. This is a gift from my daughter. It is from Bali. Straighten it out. Now here I'm going to put an octagonal plate in a stand. I've put the stand. Now I'm going to put the plate there. You can find this in Amazon easily. The octagonal plate is from Chennai. I picked it up when I lived there. Now I am taking a Victorian decorative statue of a lady. This is almost 10 years old. All these curios I have collected over the years because of my interest in this field. I have put the lady in front of the octagonal plate. It does not have to be purchased in one day. You can keep collecting curios of your interest and keep changing the decor of your home to break the monotony. Now these are two candles. I am keeping it. You can find these candles in any decor store. And this I am using it on the either side of my coffee table books as a book holder on either sides. Here I am keeping the books. This way it is not, this way it is nice. So I am keeping the books like this. Now the holder goes to the another side and the big candle I have put in the other side so that the book stands properly. ये बहुत ही simple vase है. I am keeping it here with it is with an orchid in it just to bring a little freshness to the table. ये दो crystal vase है. It's a pair. ये मैंने बुटीक स्टोर से खरीदा है. So I'm going to place it here in an angle in front of the orchid. Crystal का यही खासियत है कि it catches the light and sparkle and reflect beautifully and the whole room gets lit up. यहाँ नीचे मैंने वेलवेट का carpet बिछाया है. On top of that, I have put a pretty Chinese ceramic vase. I hope you liked my decor and आप लोग implement करोगे. प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिए ये डेकोर आपको कैसा लगा. Next, in this console table, I am going to decor it with more fun and festive style for the upcoming festivities. ये मेरा फेस्टिवल लुक का फाइनल टच है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग इट. बिलो मैंने एक कश्मीरी कारपेट बिछाया है. उसके पीछे 1 bunch of hibiscus flower in a pot. I have given a tray with 2 candles and a tea light candles and wick holder. Console table के ऊपर I have put a Rajasthani runner. On top of that, I have put a holder, tea light holder in a copper bowl. This is the tea light holder. Behind that, 2 फूलों का इलेक्ट्रिक टी लाइट होल्डर दे रखी हूँ to brighten it. Now I am going to put red bunch of flowers in yellow metal vase. I am going to put it here, this side. This side is looking nice, so I am going to put it like this. This is an electric light with peacock on top. Please let me know in the comment section below what is the name of this diya. You can connect it with an electronic socket. Now I am placing it next to the vase. नेक्स्ट वास के फ्रंट में एक टी लाइट होल्डर विद टी लाइट रख रही हूँ. अभी कॉपर बोल के सामने एक गोल्डन लोटस विद टी लाइट कैंडल रख रही हूँ. एज द फेस्टिविटी इज फुल ऑफ लाइट्स, मैंने बहुत सारे लाइट्स इनकॉर्पोरेट कर रखी हूँ. मैंने टी लाइट यूज किया है. आप लोग दिया या तो कैंडल यूज कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. Now this is a diya. I have painted it with pink and golden. Inside it I have put an electric tea light candle. Here I have put an electric tea light candle. You can switch it on and switch it off. On switch देने से on हो जाते हैं and you can switch it off accordingly. यहाँ मैं रख रही हूँ. आप लोग यहाँ दिया या तो फिर कैंडल भी दे सकते हो. मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक कैंडल यूज किया है. एक सिमिलर दिया मैंने on the other side दे रही हूँ। ये एक वास मैं ग्रीन लीव्स के साथ रख रही हूँ to give a leafy freshness. Next, I am adding the peacock diya on the other side along with the vase. Now I am adding a clock besides the vase because the golden accents match, I think. Now I will light all the tea light candles. ये एक बड़ा मेटल का शंख है. I thought it will look better in place of the clock sometimes. I'm putting it here. So this is the final festive look. I hope you like it and got some idea that you can use it in your home during festivities. You can put strings of fairy lights and flower lines. All these you can easily get in Amazon. If you have any queries about the curios I have used, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos every Friday. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I hope and I have given you all some useful ideas that you can implement in your home. I will upload my video every Friday, so stay tuned for some exciting videos. See you next Friday. Bye bye.